What's going on, guys? I am back with a photography related video. In this case, I have recently purchased a Walimex Pro DSLR cage. That's the XL, so it'll fit, as you can see, a full body DSLR or SLR, whatever. It will also fit mirrorless or micro four thirds. That's the word I'm looking for. The reason I got it is I'm on a quest to continually seeking out some sort of adaptation so I can shoot with my left hand, my good hand. So, as you can probably see via the cage, I have to be honest, was a bit of a bear to get on. This really isn't a review of the cage per se, as it's already on, and I'm not going to go through the process of trying to get it off and back on to show you how it fits onto here. But I can say that the top fits. There's a little cold shoe, or I should say a slip, that fits into the hot shoe that, I don't think you can see it, but there's a screw right there inside that track where you tighten the cage down into the hot shoe on the top of the camera, kind of like a vise. And on the base, it screws directly into the existing, this is another plate that I screwed in here, but it screws directly into the tripod mount. And then the nice thing about, you can see all the the Germans in their wonderful engineering. This whole thing is aluminum, so they cut out areas to for weight reduction. So it's under a pound when it's all put together. I think it's 13 ounces. Don't quote me on that. But these three holes, all the holes are will accept the standard dimensions for a tripod plate. So you don't need to use the one that they provide you, because the one that they provide you, I think, works with Manfrotto products best. I have Alta Pro mainly, and I also have a three-legged thingy, 3LT. So anyway, I digress. The point of this video here is to see if what I purchased, which was upside down, a simple little cable release and some Velcro ties will do the trick. So let's see. Put this aside. Good Lord. in case you're interested, I don't know what kind of brand this is. I basically just got the cheapest one that I could off of Amazon. But it was a pleasant surprise, and maybe I'm saying that a bit too early, but to note how small this is, so it might fit pretty flush. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. There's the Velcro tie. Now, let me think about this. I think we will try threading this. You're not cooperating, are you? Am I doing this backwards? Yes, I believe I am. No. For crying out loud. There we go. Alright. So I think I did this right. Yeah, I didn't do it right. Damn it. I don't think I did it right. I think what the most efficient way of doing this would be. Okay. All right, well, let's stop wasting time with that for a minute. All right. This out of the way real quick. Of course, once going backwards or upside down. Tell me this thing doesn't want to go in. You've got to be kidding me. Maybe it'll work out for best. Alright, it looks like I have to thread this through. I don't know if I can get this to fit. Huh. Oh, come on. He's being serious. How could it? Alright, that was a super tight fit because the direction that the 90-degree angle connection wanted to go is underneath the cage, and even if it took the bundle off, I had to kind of will it in there. So let's see if it works before I start to train. Yep, I think you can see and hear that. Focusing. There you go. Okay, so now let's see. Alright. I'll take a break there, but check it out. Bam. Look at that. Okay. So what I did here, turn this off, is a bunch of Velcro. Actually, you know what? I'll pick you up. Okay, so what I ended up doing was I first put one Velcro tie around the top where the cable comes out of the cable shutter release. Then I put a second one down by the base there. And I realized that it was sliding up and down the cage. Right. So I took another, sorry for my finger there, took another one and I put it on top. Let's see if I can give you a better angle here. So I put it on top of the cage, and that way it should anchor, or did anchor, the cable to ultimately anchor the shutter onto the side. So then I had the dilemma of the extra cable. But as I kind of got a little lucky here, I don't think you can see, even though I'm shaking around a little bit here, but I was able to tie it off and get it away from the cage as well as all the buttons. This will get out of the way. There we go. And secure the cable to the cage, and then ultimately one more security tie just beneath the button. So this actually might work out pretty well. So I guess we'll find out. I guess if you have any questions or comments about this whole little rig up job here, give me a holler down below. If you like this long-winded, jittery adaptation, or if you're like me and are looking for a nice alternative or an adaptation for left-handed shutter, this might work out for you. So let me know, and I'll catch you in the next video.